Hey, so my name's AJ, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, this is my first video, and I decided, since it was my first video, I wanted to do something special. And as some of you know, the new Disney Plus has just came out, and one of my favorite movies to watch on it is Ratatouille. And so, in the spirit of Ratatouille, I decided I'm going to be making a meal for you guys. And so, the theme of Ratatouille is that anyone can cook. And for me, I like to think that I can cook, but sometimes I struggle because I live in a dorm room where it's kind of hard to cook with just a microwave. So, I'm actually going to be showing you guys today how to cook Kraft mac and cheese with just a microwave. So let's start with the materials. Butter, a knife, a spoon, a bowl, a box of mac and cheese. My macaroni of choice today is Frozen 2 macaronis. So I chose Frozen 2 because I recently saw it in the stores and it's kind of my new favorite, actually. I was originally a big SpongeBob macaroni fan, but they don't sell that anymore. So I switched over to the Frozen shapes. And then the new Frozen 2 shapes came out. And they are pretty good, I must say. So that's what I'm going to be using today. Salt and milk. My milk of choice today is actually Hood whole milk. You can see whole milk. The reason why I choose whole milk is because, well, anyone that knows milk will know whole milk. So, to start, you're going to take your bowl, and then you're going to open up your macaroni. Set the cheese packet aside, facing up, so the cheese stays at the bottom. Pour the macaronis into the dish. And you're going to want them to be nice and flat in the bowl. And then you're going to take your salt and you're going to pour it in. So I would say about a teaspoon. So the next step is actually to pour the water into your bowl of macaroni. And so you're going to want to make sure that all of the macaronis are covered. You don't want any of them poking out of the water, and that's how you know that you have enough water. So now it's time to move to the microwave. So you're just going to want to place it in the center of your microwave. And you're going to set it to, let's go with 11 minutes. Now this is just your standard microwave, so you can pretty much just set it to 11 minutes. You know, funny story about macaroni and cheese. Now, well, the macaronis are in the microwave. You're going to want to prepare 1 tablespoon of butter. If you are cooking Annie's mac and cheese, the other brand, you're going to want to use 2 tablespoons, just so you know. So now that there's about 2 minutes and 45 seconds left, we're gonna open it up and give her a stir. Now, while it's still hot, you're going to want to put the butter in. So just unwrap it and then drop that guy in there. And I like to kind of bury it in the macaronis. Cheese. Now you're going to take your cheese packet. Pour it all in there. I like to save the box as a little garbage can. Now you're going to take your milk and you're going to add about 1 tablespoon. So there you have it. How to make Kraft mac and cheese in your dorm room or your microwave. I hope you guys are able to use your techniques, your special flair to make it your own, and the possibilities are truly endless with the microwave. You can make Kraft mac and cheese spirals, Kraft mac and cheese unicorn shapes, Annie's mac and cheese white cheddar shells, Annie's mac and cheese farm animals, Kraft Paw Patrols, Kraft spirals with sriracha drizzled on top, or Kraft Paw Patrols with smoked paprika on top. I suppose you guys want to see me eat this now. Good as ever, truly. Well, there you have it. Hope you all enjoyed my first YouTube video, and I'll be back with more content very soon.